Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to crimp an Ethernet cable. Not ether as in the cosmic element, no. Ether as in the internet. Ever had your Wi-Fi drop? Yeah, that's annoying. That's where this cable comes in. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to crimp an Ethernet cable from start to finish. Even if you're not a network technician, knowing how to make a custom Ethernet cable can save you time, money, prevent internet dropping if you're using Wi-Fi, so it's very important that you pay attention. First, I'll show you how to strip the cable jacket. Second, I'll show you how to arrange the wires in the correct order. Third, I'll show you how to crimp the connector. Alright, let's transition. I'll begin with the first step, stripping the cable jacket. So the first step in crimping the Ethernet cable is to strip this outer jacket. It's a plastic that protects the smaller cables inside. To get to those twisted pair cables inside, first we need to measure the length we need. This is already pre-measured. But you don't want to waste cable, but also give yourself some slack for mistakes. Okay? Use a cable stripper like this to remove about 1 inch or more from the plastic jacket end. I like to twist it around, make sure I don't go too deep, and then pull. This is where the good quality cable shines, as you can really feel the difference at this stage. Once it's stripped, you'll see these 4 twisted pair cables. These are the smaller color-coded cables that we need to arrange. Now would be a good time to install a boot if you're going to use one. It's this blue plastic here. This helps with aesthetics and with grip when pushing down on the connector clip. Okay, now that we have the jacket removed, the next step is to arrange the cables in the correct order. As you can see, I've already done that here. We need to untwist the cables and arrange them to a specific color code. We are going to use the T568B color code standard. I have an image here of the 2 standards. The only difference is the order of the arrangement. Okay? Arrange the wires in this order. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, and brown. Make sure that the wires are arranged correctly. This is of primary importance. If you don't double check, you're going to have to start over. Make sure the cables are not twisted. If they are twisted, they may get damaged when being pulled into the connector. Alright? Okay. Once your wires are organized and trimmed, you're ready for the final step, crimping the connector. The final step is to insert the wires into this connector and crimp it down. Okay? We're going to need the special tool for this. Most crimping tools will come with all the functionalities that you need to get the job done. So what we're going to do is put this connector with this clip facing down, and we're going to insert the cables into these small holes until you can pull the wire all the way from the other side. This part requires good vision and good lighting. You don't want to pull the wires unevenly because they can get damaged. And if you pull them too hard and you're struggling, it's better to just take it out and try a different angle. Once you see all the 8 wires in the correct order, just like this, you can place the connector inside of the tool and just make sure that you push it in all the way. Okay, once it's all the way in, push down till you hear a click, and then you're going to pull the boot up. Then you're going to repeat the process on the other end. After this, you can connect the cable to a tester to confirm functionality. Now that the cable is crimped and tested, let's go over everything quickly. First, strip the jacket. 2, arrange the cables. 3, pull the cables in and crimp it down. Now you have seen how you can make your custom Ethernet cables easily. By learning this, you can make custom length cables, especially longer ones, for much cheaper than it would cost to buy one that's ready to use.